Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers the industry-leading 3-year warranty because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The Baldor-6481J is a custom servo-drive Baldor built for use in a Rottler engine boring machine. This particular motor control was completely rebuilt and, as shown in the video, was fully tested with one of ERD's many servo test motor units. ERD has repaired a number of pieces of the various Rottler engine systems and has a long track record of support for the machines used in the engine manufacture and rebuild industry. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.